best chicken thigh recipe I've ever made. For this recipe, I will use 600 grams of chicken thighs, then add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I will spread the mayonnaise on the chicken thighs. This recipe is so delicious that I cook almost every day. Incredibly fast and easy. Now I will add a tablespoon of mustard, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of pepper from the kingdom, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of chimichurri, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves of garlic, and finally, a lime. I will squeeze it over our recipe, like this. Then I will mix everything to season the chicken thighs. In the meantime, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Miriam Davies from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Seasoned chicken thighs, I'll reserve them. Now, I'm going to use a potato, and I'm going to cut it into slices, just like in the video. Stay until the end of this video. You will be impressed with the result and will want to do it often in your home. In another container, I will add olive oil. Use in the amount you prefer. I'll add our potatoes, previously cut. Now, I'll add the spiced chicken thighs. Tell me how you make chicken thighs in your house. I'd love to know your recipe. Next, I will cover our recipe with aluminium paper and bake at 390 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. After the time, our recipe is ready, and look how it turned out. You need to try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.